Number 12 is rationalize the denominator. That means you're not allowed any irrational numbers in the denominator. And right now you have an irrational number in the denominator. I'm going to put parentheses around this denominator because fraction bars are grouping symbols. A lot of people want to multiply by root 2 over root 2, but then you would get 3 times root 2 over 5 root 2 minus root 2 times root 2, root 4, which is 3 over root 2 times 5 root 2 minus 2. You still have an irrational denominator, so that does not work. Back to the drawing board. Okay, 3 over 5 minus root 2. Very simple trick that makes this work. The deal is you can multiply by something that is 1. So you need to multiply by something that is 1 that will eliminate this radical. And that something is the same two terms, 5 and root 2, but the opposite sign. So that's the first trick. You need to learn how to know what to multiply by. And this works because of how difference of two squares multiply. But a lot of people who got that right then didn't get the multiplication correct. Let's see. 3 times this, I have to distribute. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3 times root 2 is 3 root 2. Now look what happens on the bottom. I'm going to do it all written out. 5 minus root 2 times 5 plus root 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative root 2 is negative 5 root 2. 5 times positive root 2 is positive 5 root 2. And this is where people messed up mostly. Plus root 2 times minus root 2 is minus root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is minus 2. So the radicals cancel each other out, and you end up with 25 minus 2, which is 23.